up? Welcome back to Creative Coral, or CC for short. It's Coral, and today I'm going to be making a DIY crystal terrarium. This was gifted to me by my good friend. Thank you so much for this gift. So says that I'm going to create a hanging garden with gems and essential oils, and it includes everything I need. So we're just going to we're just going to cut this side open. Right here I have a little bit of some paper towel just to make sure everything doesn't spill everywhere.
Cut this out. One more snip.
Okay, so now let's pull out this side, and we're just going to pull out. Whoa, there it is. Okay, let me set this box down. Got gold background, I like that. And we have all the instructions. This looks super easy, thank you so much. If you're watching this, you know who you are. Let's just, is it taped anywhere so you can see? We have the little terrarium. We have the 4 different colored rocks, the pink rocks, the purple rocks, the bluish tealish rocks, and the orange rocks. We've got the purple and white sand. We've got the 2 essential oils, the chain for hanging, the 2 rocks, and the leaves. And then just like a pretty background.
So, when we cut this, we have the tape on it. More tape. Then we cut this tape. It should be good, right? And then we need to cut this tape. And then the final piece of tape on the last side. Okay, ready? So, let's cut it. Uh-oh. Everything's falling. Okay. Let's just put this, make sure there's nothing else. Down, we have a few rocks, so let's just put all the rocks back into their piles. Oopsies. Looks like a lot of stuff spilled. Oh, this terrarium is so cool looking. Look at that. The terrarium, guys. That's so cool.
So let's read the instructions. Here's what you'll need: terrarium, folded stand, gemstones, color for sand, color for rocks, essential oils, tape not included. Before you get started on building your terrarium, you'll want to assemble the folded terrarium stand. To do this, simply clip together the 2 slits on either side, then tape to secure. Okay, so we've got clip them in, and then there we go. That was super easy. Okay, I'm guessing it can sit like this when we're making it. So when we make it, that's good. Place your terrarium on the terrarium stand that sits upright when you decorate the inside. Step 3. Colored sand will be the first layer in your terrarium. Decide which color you want on the bottom. Pour all the contents inside. Once the bag has been emptied, repeat again with the second color. Feel free to mix colors together if you would prefer. Okay, I'm going to put the purple sand on the bottom. So let's just move the bag like so. But before we do that, I want to get all my contents out. So I'll see you guys when I do that. Now that I have everything out of the packaging, we can move on to step 3. Colored sand will be the first layer of my terrarium, and I'll choose which color I want to put on the bottom. So I also have some scissors right here, just in case I need them. I've sorted everything out into piles, so it'll be super easy. So we're just gonna, actually I might cut this, so no. We just pour it, so let's put this back in its base. I had moved it because I was pouring everything out. Okay, then we pour. Oh, this is exciting. We pour the contents all the way in. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, guys. Isn't that so adorable? Going to shake it out so it's flat. If you guys can hear it, it is absolutely pouring at my house right now. It is absolutely pouring. Look at that sand. Okay. Then it says to pour the next sand packet in. So let's pour the next packet in. Here we go. You just flatten that one out too. Look at that. That is so adorable, you guys. Do you see it? I mean, I bet you see it. It is so cute. I love this. Shake it a little bit. It's a little tip in towards that end right there. Absolutely love this. This is so adorable. Okay, what's the next step? What does it say? Our next step is step 4. Your color rocks will be the next layer. This set comes with more than enough rocks that you can choose to design your terrarium however you like. Pour enough rocks on top of the sand so that the combination of sand and rocks is about 1 inch high. The only thing I'm afraid of is that everything's going to come out of this little opening, but I think we'll be perfectly fine. So I'm going to do a little bit of some yellow rocks, and then I was thinking I want to do kind of every single color. I feel like that'd be kind of cool, just like do a mix. This one's a little brown, so I'm not going to use it. Do a little bit of a mix of sand and rocks. Kind of pour it all over there. So you can easily move the rocks around just a little bit. Sure all the rocks get flattened there. Then let's pour in some purple rocks. We're on this side. We got a little bit of spills and rocks. Kind of want this brownish. I don't really know. Just kind of shoving in the rocks there. All the rocks get flattened. I want them to cover the sand. I don't know if that's working so well right now. I don't know. Let's pour in a little bit more purple rocks. Then let's get the pink rocks going. Pour the pink rocks in. You can pour the pink rocks right in the front, or right in the front area right now. Throw the rocks over there. Roll over there. We want them to cover all this sand layer. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of orange as well. Orange. I'm just using all the colors because I think that'll make it look super cool. Make it like, holy guacamole, it is downpouring. You guys can hear that. It is absolutely downpouring. It is downpouring. Okay, now we can pour some more rocks on this side. And we'll see you guys when I finish that. Now that I've finished with the rocks, step 5. Once your sand and rocks are in place, carefully put your faux plant inside the terrarium, digging it into the rocks and sand so it stands up securely. So here you have my rainbow rock terrarium. Just going to dig it in, stands up securely. Don't think I did enough rocks, so I'm just going to throw in some rock around it so it doesn't look so obvious. But it's really, really tall. So it's kind of just popping out. Just cover rocks. Yeah. More rocks around it. Really cover it up. Make it look like. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. There are 2 real gemstones included in the set. Now's the time to place them wherever you choose. So if you guys can see this, we've got a light purple one and a clear one. So you can see it in my terrarium. I'm going to place the purple one right here, and I'm going to place the white one right here. I'm just going to set them down in there. I absolutely love it. Step 7. Finish. Select which essential oil you want your terrarium to smell like and place a few droplets inside. I want to smell both of them. Don't really smell anything from that one. Let's see. What about the lemon? Lavender or lemon? Let's do a few drops of both. Okay. Okay. Now let's do. Ooh, I can smell it. A little bit of lemon as well. I'm just gonna do both, you know? Make it smell super duper nice. So now this is lemon. Throw some droplets in. And here. Perfect. That smells so good. Step 8. Your terrarium is complete. Find a hook to hang your terrarium from so you can stare at your creation all day long. So here is the little hook. And I'm guessing I just put this through the hook. And then I can just hook it on like that. And then it will hang. Ready? Oh my gosh. Guys, look at my cute little crystal terrarium. I am so happy with this. It was so easy and simple to make. And I absolutely love it. It's darling. I will totally hang this up in my room. Thank you so much to the person who gave me this. I know exactly who you are, but I'm not going to say your name. But thank you so much. So, if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that notifications bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and share this video with your friends. It really helps my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.